The political turmoil hits close to home as presidential son, Congressman Sandro Marcos, addresses drug use accusations from his own aunt, Senator Amy Marcos. The House Majority Leader called them baseless and irresponsible, saying Senator Amy is betraying the family over her political ambition. Mavic Trinidad joins us for more. Hi, Mavic. Go ahead.
My House Majority Floor Leader, Representative Sandro Marcos, expressed deep disappointment toward his aunt, Senator Amy Marcos. According to the young Marcos, he is hurt to see how Senator Amy has brought herself down to the point of using alleged web of lies aimed at disrupting the current administration in order to advance her personal political ambitions. In his official statement, Congressman Marcos added that one of the people who can prove that his aunt is lying is Borgie, his cousin, and the son of his aunt herself. The young Marcos added that the accusations made by his aunt are irresponsible, baseless, untrue, and will bring nothing good to the public. He further stated that the senator's betrayal of her own family has caused him great pain, especially because he has always respected her for giving him his start in public service. In closing, Representative Marcos emphasized that he continues to respect his aunt and that this will be the first and last time he will speak on the matter. Mai?
So aside from Representative Sandro Marcos, has former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, the president's cousin, reacted to Senator Amy's allegations?
So far, my former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, the cousin of the Marcos siblings, has not yet issued any reaction to this issue. However, I just received the official statement of the Iglesia Ni Cristo regarding on their on one day or why they have to stop the rally last night. If I may read the statement, taking into consideration the speed and extent of media coverage, according to INC spokesperson, Brother Edwin Sabala, both local and international, that the rally generated. He said it did not need 3 days to achieve the goal of sending the message that we are calling for justice, accountability, transparency, and peace. Brother Zabala also stated that we thank our friends from the media, both local and international, who covered the event and spread the message of the rally. And this is also among the fundamental rights granted to citizens of the country, the right to free speech and peaceful assembly. We thank all those who made sure that the rally was peaceful, orderly, and disciplined. And from the very start, he said, we have stressed that we are against moves that are against the Constitution, and we started peacefully and we ended peacefully. Aside from Congressman Sandro Marcos, there are a few lawmakers who are not related to them, such as Kabayan Party List Representative Reneco have spoken out also about this.
Mavic, speaking of last night's rally, ano ang reaksyon ng mga tao doon dito sa mga pasabog ni Senator Amy? Kinikwento mo nga to sa amin kanina, no? Before we went to air. Tell us about the reaction of the crowd there.
Na-surprise lahat. Pati kami na-surprise din, because we were not expected na magsasalita ng about President Marcos itong si Senator Amy Marcos, because dahil nga ang mood ng crowd at ng Iglesia Ni Cristo rally ay tungkol ito sa panawagan for transparency, accountability, and justice. Kaya laking gulat din nung iba na biglang nagsalita si Senator Senator Amy Marcos about President Marcos and their personal life doon sa stage. Kaya nung nandun na sa stage, yung mga tao masyado nang tahimik din dahil nga nabigla sila.
Speechless sila, kumbaga.
Yes,
Aha.
speechless. Oo, speechless. Ang tanging na ano nila is sumigaw lang na sumigaw because sa shock siguro at sa surprise nung mga pasabog ni
Marami
Senator
talaga ang nagulat. Thank you for the
Yes.
update. Mavic Trinidad of Abante.